Hello everybody, welcome to Farm Truck Friday. This is actually, what is it? Almost 3 a.m. Saturday in Texas. Welcome to the mukbang. This is a also bang, bang, bang. We got some tamales. Who want a bite? Bam! There you go. We got two big old sandwiches. Look at Curly Q. They hot. Hell hot. You done? If y'all got an awesome convenience store, this is a convenience store bang. They're pretty good.
Butter versus Terry.
I was singing down the road Jamaican. I had it going. I ain't got it going. Let's give a shout out to my brother. Oh, everybody. Happy New Year. It's January 2nd. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Come on in. We had one hell of a 2020, believe it or not.
2020 went by fast.
It did go by fast. We have been blessed in 2020 in a lot of ways. But 2021's here. But you know what? Whether you're in a bad situation in life, it's kind of what you make of it. Let's give a shout out to my brother on YouTube, Screw 92530. He's almost at 2K, y'all. Y'all can search him up there on YouTube, Screw 92530. Yeah. Jamaica YouTube, brother. Vera Tunes, she's at 80K. This is one thing about YouTube. Some people grow rapidly. Some gradually grow. Some don't grow at all. But you know what? The people I'm connected to, hey, look at Reap What You Sow. All these people that channels blew up, they still the same people. Vera Tunes with 80K. Still very helpful and loving to other content creators.
Didn't need some mayonnaise.
So is Reap What You Sow, Jamaica YouTube. The list goes on.
I need some condiments, so I ain't got no condiments.
He said he put some mayonnaise in the bottom of that.
He did? Oh. What is that? Some mayonnaise?
Boy, give me my package. You're not even showing these people what we eat.
Shabam.
But 2021, y'all, I plan on sticking mostly to some kind of hunting with hounds. I'll be uploading some dumb stuff sometimes. But you know, give y'all something to look at. There always will be a Farm Truck Friday here with shout outs. Italian sub. I don't know how to do no fancy videos. What you see is what you get. Raw reality.
Boom, 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 boom.
I don't do no, what is that, filters? People make their face look different and all that. He won't come up here and act like you're going to hit me with no sandwich, by God. I'm just going to chill and eat. You can't even hit me. Don't be wasting that mayonnaise. Now, you're going to make me talk bad. On camera. We say that off camera.
We got more mayonnaise.
This is Italiano Sabrino. If you don't stop that, I'm gonna get you now. Why do you try to make funny in my video? See, man, I was gonna do a Jamaica one, and you up here acting goofy.
Oh no.
This
Oh no, did I take my masculus inside?
You don't need to be putting that on no more. You done wore out the Donald Trump mask. In case y'all didn't know, that was really him.
I can't freaking
Look at the jacket. They ought to tell.
Meow.
I heard Donald Trump goes to McDonald's, but I don't think he'd go into Walmart. But
Yeah, I took it inside of it.
good.
I don't feel like digging.
That's funny that you can wear that. And this sandwich ain't worth $5. I can just look at it. Hopefully 2021 we'll be doing some cooking. Actual cooking.
I don't got kicked out of school for the
And video.
when school is out.
I do cook, y'all. I just don't video it.
When he cooks,
Can't be giving all my secrets away.
man, good and nasty.
Look at him.
That's why I'm so big. Because he cooks.
Man, we should have had some lettuce and tomato. It ain't so bad. It is pretty good.
Subway's better.
I just want some more vegetables in it. Oh, I didn't get y'all a bite now. Open up wide. Ah. Bam! There you go.
Bam! I put 3 packs of mayonnaise on this and it's still.
I put 4 packs of mayonnaise.
You need a whole. Come on.
You know, we lost old Joe. I didn't forget to tell you. Hi, Eat with Fifi.
Need a whole tub of
In
mayonnaise.
February, y'all gonna be a big surprise to the channel. Big surprise next month. Of course, you know we sporting the Diet Dr. Pepper. He got root beer.
Look, you see this? They hold out and it goes boom. You go boom.
Miss Parchman's World. Shirley with Tasty Mafia. Farted in my video. Why start now? May 2021. This a fart bang.
Hey, first part of 20. No way.
Welcome to the fart bang. Welcome to the fart bang. Ooh, welcome to the stinky bang. Bang, bang. We finna bang him right on up out the truck. He just ran out of luck. Chuck.
How you doing?
Ain't bad. Need some vegetables with it. Look, I'm like Anthony. We are twins now. What? Don't rub in it, yeah? For real.
Here, put some of this on there.
You done ate that sandwich?
No, it's dry.
You got 3 more packs of mayonnaise.
You literally need half
Damn,
a tub.
I can't believe.
You need a half tub for this.
Give me a napkin in there. I don't even know if
We plumb dry.
we're not dry. That boy didn't give us no napkins.
Nope.
There's enough sack down there, boy. You better see if we got some napkins. There's some napkins right there. No, I ain't did nothing for this.
Yeah, you ate your sandwich.
Huh.
You know, when I was in
Oh, I ain't even let y'all see. There ain't nothing in there. There's some ham.
ham salami.
Not much of it.
A lot more bread than it should be.
Provolone cheese. That bun do taste good.
You know, when I was in 4th grade, kids said mayonnaise was a bird poop.
Italian sub. Market sandwich. Artisan style.
Artesian.
This is for somebody that's failing school. I do got a GED.
That's artesian.
With spicy ham. Stinky cheese. Provolone cheese. Cotta salami. Pepperoni and Parmesan herb roll. Herb gonna come see you, bro.
What?
He gonna roll you up. Look at that.
Dadgum, Dad. Quit working for it.
That's what feeds you. It'll make you think I work or something. It's a little spicy.
Now, I got about 6 or 7 packets on this. If this is still dry, I'm putting tamales on it to make it not
We're
so
gonna
dry.
have mayonnaise all over his face. Y'all watch.
Watch out.
Happy New Year, son.
Happy New Year, Daddy.
That's 11 minutes.
That gone. We gotta do chimichanga. Chimichanga. This is getting cut off soon. I got pom-poms. One pom-pom here, one pom-pom here. In the winter?
Huh. He a cheerleader now.
In the winter, earmuffs. Or if I'm going out shooting some pew-pews, I just shove it right in my ear hole. Earmuffs. 3 geese in one.
Ha 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 ha, you're funny.
Oh.
Alright, y'all. It's already 12 minutes. Happy New Year. Much love to everybody. Appreciate all the support.
I got blue eyes. I think.
We out of here once we end there. Don't look at the camera too much. You're going to crack it.
Oh, your phone's
Man,
already.
it's already cracked.
I'm trying to see what my color my eyes are.
Brown because you're full of... That's why you... in all my videos.
I think they're blue.
Alright, y'all. We're going to go say bye, YouTube.
Let me know in the comments what my eye color is. Boogity boogity.